Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to write an informal letter. Let's hop to it. Write a letter to Raghu asking him to come for your birthday party. Let's begin. First, write your address. First, while writing your address, write your name. And then your address. The place where your apartment is located. The city along with its pin code. Not to forget the date. Remember, when you're writing the date, you must not write the month in number format. You must always write it in word format. And then, now, let's hop into the main body of the letter. Whenever you're writing an informal letter, make it fun for the reader to laugh. This reminds them of you. You don't need to write the subject. Start with a small soft greeting and then discuss about your family and his family. That's always very kind. How are you, my friend? And then, how was your family? Hope they're doing good. My family is great. Now let's hop into the main part. My birthday is 15th. And I hope you can attend it.
Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No to rest.
And then just
Hearts dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet. I come tripping.
thank you.
It's the soundtrack to my soul's hit. Making me move from my head to my feet.
And then regards or sincerely something.
Yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby. That I find when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
That's it, my friends. That's all for today's video. Until then, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.